Let us see how to work with the MySQL prompt. Command line interface. In the last session, we have seen how do we open the MySQL prompt. Consider that you have opened this MySQL prompt. Now, if you see this thing, MySQL has been installed correctly. Now, how do you go to the prompt, or how do you go to actual place from where you can interact with the MySQL? So for that you can type MySQL /u. So here you are defining the user. /u means what? User. Username is root. And /p, right? /p. MySQL space /u space username /p. Hit the enter. Can you see? It will ask you for a password. Whatever password you have written or whatever password you have provided, pass it. And if you see over here something like this, so here you will see MySQL, and well, I'm using something different, which is MySQL only, but little bit different. As I'm using the Mac, there are some problems on the Mac for MySQL installation. So I have opted for another flavor of MySQL, that is MariaDB. Don't worry about that thing. So here you will see MySQL and something like this, and greater than sign. MySQL and greater than sign. If you see something like this, you have entered into the MySQL prompt. So from here, the database which has been installed on your local machine, that is accessible. From here, whatever database you have installed on your machine, that database is accessible from here. So whenever you see MySQL, something like this, MySQL and greater than sign, this is a direct entry point to the installed database on your machine. For example, you can say show tables. Now you are going to see error. If you can see, no database is selected. No database is selected. Which means that if you want to work with the database, first you need to select the database. And how do we select the database? There is a use command. We are going to see few important commands. That will help you in interacting with the DB under the SQL section. That things are about to come, don't worry. But as far as this video is concerned, we are going to see how do you work with the prompt. First you need to enter the password, username and password. Then here you will see something called as MySQL and greater than sign. What do you mean by the MySQL prompt? This is the entry point of the MySQL DB. From here, you can directly access the MySQL DB. Now, if you want to exit this, just type exit, hit the enter. You see, you'll see by and again normal CLI thing. By and normal CLI thing. I hope you have understood this MySQL prompt, right? I hope you'll see something like this, MySQL greater than, and here we can perform the things. So whenever you see something like this, this is called as SQL, and we will see, we are going to see SQL in very much detail, don't worry. But as far as this video is concerned, we will see only prompt related things. Inside the prompt, we would be typing the SQL. Well, I hope you have understood this session. If you have understood, write it in the comment box. If you have any queries, also write it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.